Hi, I'm Henri Marcel. I'm a personal trainer. I am National Academy of Sports Medicine certified. I've been a personal trainer about 10 years. The difference between this gym and a lot of the box gyms, number one, it has a feel of comfort, home, smallness. It's not like multiple floors and not sure when you should come in. It doesn't have a lot of loud music going on all the time. So the clients really feel that they are at a place of comfort where they will get a good workout. And it also has helped me get a lot more privates because of the look, because of the feel, because of the location. Since this location has been renovated with the Swisstrax flooring, it gives me an advantage that I can get them to really focus on working out, to feel like the environment is beneficial. And that's important for me because my clients are high-end and they're looking for not only a sense of space, but a sense of quality. I really appreciate my time here. I really enjoy my clientele, and I couldn't ask for anything better.
My name's Josh Nelson here with the Swisstrax team. For this project, we have just under 2,000 square feet that we've installed throughout the gym and the entryways. And the biggest key factor here is what you actually don't see. We have all these electrical cords that power the treadmills and the ellipticals that run about 10 to 15 feet to reach the flooring outlets. Another key benefit of Swisstrax and our Vinyltrax line is the hygiene and the cleaning aspect. With this flooring here, what the cleaning team does is just get a little simple green or any other type of degreaser with water and a mop and cleans right up. Lastly, another major benefit of using Swisstrax tiles is that from start to finish, from ripping out the old carpet to putting the brand new Vinyltrax in, it only took a matter of 2 days. So this was very pleasing for the client because there was no lost revenue, making Swisstrax a great option for any environment.